Hey YouTube, not what you'd call a busy day here again. Took the loader off the 3070. I'll put some footage in the video of that. Nothing too exciting really. Just getting ready to plow with it. No more progress on the tractor behind me, the 1135, while waiting on some parts. We got bearings for it and they were the wrong ones, so we had to order some new ones. But getting that other bearing out, I don't know if you remember my previous video, that race that was pressed in there that I wasn't sure how we were going to get out. Someone commented, I think it was J. Howell Farms, maybe? I can't remember. I think when you commented you went by Josh and now it's J. Howell Farms, but either way, you suggested welding that race, and that's exactly what we did, and that's what worked. So thank you very much for that suggestion. That helped out a whole bunch. So yeah, just got to get the parts for that, get that fixed. Put the sled deck back on my 2015 Dodge. Yeah, that was about it. Move some feed around. We wanted to empty out their feed bin for the cows. We bagged all the older stuff up because the feed truck's coming tomorrow. So we bagged up all the old stuff. Going to feed it to the heifers there and save the new stuff for the dairy cows. Kind of something we like to do, you know, once or twice a year, whatever. Keep giving the freshest stuff to the milk cows and some of the older stuff to the heifers and whatnot. Just kind of works out better that way. So that wasn't that important anyway. Yeah, still trying to get some water in that manure spreader, try to get it in there so I can wash it out, but not too many places where you can get water at around here. We had that old borehole, but the water is about 14 feet from the top, so I don't think we can pull water out of that. We got a 2-inch pump here, and I don't think the hose is long enough. And then there's a couple ponds around, but we can't get the spreader close enough in there because it's so wet around. So we need to figure something out, get a longer hose or something like that. So we'll deal with that in the next couple of days. It's going to be raining again tomorrow, I think. But for right now, what I want to do, I took the mower deck off of my 444, which you can kind of see behind me there. So I took the mower deck off of that there today, and it's got the turf tires still on it. So I'm going to throw the loaded ag tires on it. They're 9.5/16s. They're probably 150, 200 pounds a piece. Use them in the wintertime. So I'm going to throw those on there, and well, there's two things I want to do with the tractor. The first thing is I want to do is I want to hook up the log splitter on the back of it, because this tractor, and I'll show you in a minute, but this tractor has a hydraulic remote on the back of it, so it'll run hydraulic accessories or whatever you want to call it. And the second thing that I want to do is I want to hook up my snowblower to it, because I use this in the wintertime to blow snow. Now, I don't need it in the wintertime to blow snow. I just like to blow snow with it because it's fun. It's like a toy, I guess. Because I mean, obviously we got, you know, 80, 90 horsepower farm tractors here with 7-foot snowblowers on them and plows and buckets and loaders and all that crap. So if we need to move snow, then we move snow. But if I want to play with the snow a little bit, then I got my little tractors. So that's what I want to do. I'd love to make a little blade for it, but I don't think that's in the budget or plan or whatever for this year. Maybe next year, because I think it would work out pretty good. I'm just gonna make a little video here throwing that those ag tires on. I'll put that in last. That way you can watch the video of taking the loader off the 3070 first, and then you can just exit out and not watch me putting the ag tires on. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Alright, just one final look at the 444 now with the big tires on it. Makes a huge difference in the look of the machine. These are a little bit oversized for the tractor. There's not a heck of a lot of room. I couldn't run chains on with these tires, so it's either these or the turfs. I can run chains on the turfs though, so that's fine. You're better off running chains on a turf tire than chains on an ag tire anyway. But yeah, 9.5 16 Goodyear Power Torques actually. Same as the tires that used to be on this 130 or 1135. I think it looks pretty cool with them on it. Like I said, they're loaded with windshield washer fluid, so they're about 150, 200 pounds a piece, which would put the weight of the tractor up around the 1,300, 1,400 pound mark. So it's pretty heavy for a little lawn tractor.